Hello traders, welcome to our daily stock discussion wherein every day I commit some of my time to have a sound stock market discussion with you and trading plan for the coming days or weeks for you to become a better trader and investor in the stock market. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will always get the latest content that I make for you to be equipped with the latest market happening. So, simulan natin. So, first of all, congratulations sa mga nagkaroon ng masaganang ani at malaking gains dahil nakapag-trade sila at nasakyan nila si Euro. So, we have already discussed the trading plan for Euro, which is nandito sa video na to. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, di ba? Panoorin nyo yung video na to, nasa bandang gitna yun si Euro. So, in order for you to learn on how we do this, di ba? Lalo na kapag newbie ka pa lang and you want to try to learn how to play or paano masakyan itong mga ganitong ceiling play, watch this video, di ba? And unti-unti matututo kayo on how you can do this, no? So, again, congratulations dahil meron na kayong early Valentine's budget, di ba? Kung malaki-laki ang gains nyo at the same time napaaga-aga ang sweldo ninyo. So, first of all, we will talk about ANI. What happened to ANI? Ano yung diniscuss natin kahapon na nag-reflect na ngayon? At the same time with ISM. Next is Euro, di ba? Next is perhaps we will discuss the MWC, Frutas, di ba? Yan yung mga stocks na tinitignan natin. But for now, all of them medyo in the state of consolidation. So, let's get started. ANI muna. So, sa mga meron kay ANI, nung kahapon or nung last Friday, dapat expected ko, dapat wala na kayo nun. Kasi kahapon, we already discussed that ANI might challenge the 8.8 resistant level. Diba? Dito pa lang nakikita mo, hirap na. For conservative investors, diba? Or traders, dapat nag-take profit na. So, kung medyo aggressive ka, inaantay mo talaga ma-breakout to kaso hindi siya nag-breakout. Then, nag-retrace dito sa support level na 7.7 at na-breakdown niya. Pagka-breakdown niya, you should already take your profit already. As I already discussed, diba, sa previous video, if napanood nyo si ANI might go on consolidation stage, diba? Up, down, dito sa range ng 8.8 sa 7 at 7.7 before making a breakout sa 8.8 or much worse is breakdown sa 7.7. So, ayan yung mga possible na potential na iwa-watch out natin if nag-rally. So, next is ISM. Kasi nag-bounce out na to. Pero, 6% lang. So, na-explain ko dun sa previous video bakit ayaw ko ng ISM because ganito yan. If napanood nyo yung discussion yesterday, I already discussed na kunwari, naghulog ka ng bola somewhere on 50th floor building, diba? Pagkahulog ng bola, fell on the ground. Ano sa tingin nyo? It will bounce back, diba? It might bounce back kalahati or 1/3. Then, going back, diba? Babagsak, then bouncing back again, then babagsak, then bouncing back again, hanggang sa paliit ng paliit yung bounce, which will create, diba? Downtrend. Ayan. Ang nangyari kay ISM is dito maliit lang yung ibinagsak niya from the high, 'di ba? Kaya pagka nag-bounce, 'di ba? Pag kunwari isipin niyo yung bola hinulog sa 10th floor or 5th floor lang, mas mababa compared sa 50th floor. Pag nahulog yan, mababa lang din yung bounce. That is why yan yung nakita niyo kay ISM. Mababa lang yung naging bounce niya. That is why hindi ako convinced to enter this trade. Pero kung if you are brave enough, 'di ba? Pwede niyo pasukin to in small allocation lang, 'di ba? But then again, if you will try to ask my opinion or my trading strategy, ayaw ko muna kay ISM. So, na-discuss ko na rin yung mga previous support neto. So, if you want to know more about that, please, di ba, panoorin nyo ulit yung video na yun because doon ay paliwanag ko ng detalyado. So, next thing, pag-usapan natin si Euro. So, what is in it to with Euro, di ba? So, if you will try to look for the business of Euro or what does Euro does, di ba? Check natin dito. So, ayan, if we try to look at what does Euromed Laboratories Philippines do, diba? Check lang natin dito para alam natin kung ano yung business na ginagawa nila. And just to inform you, yung price action na nangyari ngayon is walang kinalalaman sa fundamentals. And as we all know, diba, na si Euro, they are doing a pharmaceutical it is a pharmaceutical company, di ba? So, coincidentally, merong sakit na epidemic na kumakalat which is the nCoV virus. So, in nCoV virus, there are some sectors na affected or highly affected. Isa na yun doon yung airline companies, di ba? Which nag-cancel ng mga flight. Isa na rin yung mga malls, di ba? Because people are afraid to go out. And isa na rin yung mga foods and services. On the other side, diba, there are some sectors naman na will be benefiting through this nCoV virus. Especially yung mga telco. Bakit? Because people will tend to stay at home using their mobile phone, diba, using their mobile data, which will increase the profit of the telco players. Pero again, this is just a psychological na sentiment lang to. Again, price action pa rin ang pagbabasehan. And last thing, itong si Euromed. So, ano bang ginagawa ni Euromed? It is a pharmaceutical company nga which engage in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical product. So, again, the firm also produces intravenous fluid in glass bottles. Itong mga to. Then, mga disinfectants. So, it operates through the following segments: manufacturing, service, and food services. The manufacturing segment involves the manufacturing of pharmaceutical product. So, basically, kung titingnan mo, pwede itong na-jockey play, di ba? Pwede itong napaglaruan lang because sentiment-wise, di ba, meron nangyayaring epidemic. It might be na na-trigger yung supply and demand lang ng mask, 'di ba? So there is a high supply of high demand of mask pero low supply ng mask, kaya siguro naisip na paglaruan yung price. So pagka mga ganito, sinasakyan lang natin and we base everything on technical analysis. So balik tayo sa technical analysis, so we can study the price action of Euro. So yesterday we have made a discussion or a video that there is a high possibility that Euro will open gap up. Mas maganda kako yung expectation natin if Euro will open up and gap up tapos at the same time breaking out the Fibs 886 which will create a breakaway gap. So if that's the case, 'di ba? Sabi ko, trail stop na lang tayo, 'di ba? Meron tayong target price at 3.28, 'di ba? Or itong 3.35 or itong mga 3.71 or 3.7 all the way up to 4.26, 'di ba? So we also calculated the ceiling price. So what makes me take profit dito sa 3.5 is because kung titingnan mo dito sa 3-minute chart, 'di ba? Nung na-breakdown niya yung 3.7, eto, nagkaroon ng large bearish candlestick. So, somewhere here in the middle of this candle, nagbenta na ako. Kasi, first of all, hindi na-sustain yung 3.7. At the same time, binigyan ako na siya ng konting allowance, still bumagsak. So, kung hindi ako nag-take profit, mas liliit yung margin ko or yung kikitain ko. As you can see, Euro, 'di ba? Yung performance ng stock price is nag-sideways na lang and closing at 3.09. So, Ito yung mga isa sa mga tinuturo ko when you are trying to play ceiling play, especially on the second day, 'di ba? Tinuro ko kung wala ka pa, please do not full allocate. So again, kung may 1 million port ka, 'di ba? And you try to allocate 20% each stock, 'di ba? So kung 20% ka, half lang 'yun ang gagamitin mo or below. Hindi ka na pwedeng sumobra because like what I have said, 'di ba? Bibigyan ko ng konting calculation. So, kunwari, bumili kayo ng tulad kahapon kung ginaya nyo, 2.97, right? So, kunwari, bumagsak lang, naging 2.9, di ba? So, kung kunwari, may 1 million ka, medyo napasobra ka ng allocation at around 900,000, masakit na to, di ba? 30 mil kaagad to. Paano kung it go as low as 2.7? Mapapa-cut loss ka niyan. O baka dito pa lang, cut loss ka na sa 2.9. Malaki na to eh. 'Di ba? That is why, please do not over-allocate. Kasi, konti na lang yung magiging leeway nyo o hingahan nyo kasi malaki na kagad yung talo nyo. So, I've been there, 'di ba? Please always do remember na there's no such thing na quick money or mabilis na kitaan, 'di ba? Easy money because some of you, 'di ba? Dahil ginawa ko to before way back more than 3 years ago nung nag-i-start pa ako until such time na minaster ko, inaral ko, nag-backtest ako, 'di ba? Nag-tweak ako ng system ko and I lost several times, 3, 4 or 5 times in this kind of play, ceiling play, highly volatile play, pero ang good thing lang hindi ako nag-all in. I strictly follow my allocation until such time na nakukuha ko na how to play or how to deal with this. Ang iba kasi ang ginagawa, 'di ba? Nagse-set ng buying price kunwari dito tapos kino-compute yung ceiling price kunwari 4, 'di ba? Uy, ang laki ng gain ko, 33,000 kunwari o kaya 4.5, 'di ba? 50%, kalahating milyon kaagad. All in na, okay na to, masaya na ako, which is wrong, mali yun kasi yung iba ganun, 'di ba? As a millennial, one of our key weaknesses is we want instant wealth, which is very very wrong, 'di ba? Kasi kung kaya mong kumita ng ganyan, isipin mo kaya din mawala ang ganyang amount sa'yo. So kung gaano kalaki ang pwede mong kitain, ganun din kalaki ang pwede mong malugi. The question now there is, are you ready ba? 'Di ba? So, again, for newbies, 'di ba? Ang isa sa mga criteria ko before you enter this kind of bounce play or ceiling play, at least you must have at least 1 year of experience in trading in the market. Magsimula muna kayo sa mga second liner, sa mga growth stocks before kayo pumunta sa mga basura stocks. Kasi in basura stocks, the risk is very high, the reward is very high. At the same time, 'di ba, the volatility is very high, emotionally driven, matatakot kayo, matataranta kayo, and if you are not emotionally, physically prepared, mentally, masusunog kayo in just real quick. So, paano naman, kunwari, may portfolio ko 100,000, 'di ba? Madali lang yun. Gamit ka lang 10,000, at least mama-maximize mo yung brokers charge, 'di ba? And if you are medyo unfortunate enough, medyo maliit yung capital like where I have been started before nung nag-aaral pa ako, I started like 40,000, 'di ba? So kung may capital kayo 40 to 50,000, medyo malaki na kagad yun. If you try to use 10,000, it is 20% of your portfolio, right? So, kung talagang gusto yung matutunan and you have that kind of experience na, try nyo mag-paper trade. Pero I do not recommend kasi walang emotions yun eh. Ang pwede kong i-recommend is you try to buy on board lot. Maliit lang, board lot lang. Magkano lang ang board lot ng euro? 100 lang yata eh. So, yan. Try mo, maliit na amount, 300, 'di ba? At least kapag kunwari bumagsak naging 2.7, magkano lang lugi niyo? 100. although you cannot maximize the broker's fee, at least you have that kind of fear, that kind of adrenaline, that kind of excitement. At least natutweak mo, ganito pala ang paglalaro ng ceiling play, ganito pala, next time ganito na yung gagawin ko. So again, na-discuss ko na sa inyo, di ba, sa last video, these are the possible target prices, di ba? Kung na-hit, gaya na nasabi ko, nung hindi na nag-hold itong 3.7, I give an extra allowance for the stock to bounce back. Pero nung nagkaroon ng large red candlestick, nag-take profit na tayo sa 3.5. So next thing, pag-usapan natin si MWC, right? So si MWC breaking down the psychological support at 13 pesos per share and now currently trading at 12.88. So watch out if this FIBS 50 at 12.6 will hold. If not, 'di ba? Pagka nakabili kayo dito, be ready to cut your losses. Pero kung if you are brave enough, pwede ka na mag-accumulate konti-konti lang on trader's perspective because we have a psychological support at 13 pesos per share. On the investor's perspective, kapag kaya nyo mag-antay 1, 2, or 3 years from now, diba, that will be another topic to discuss because again, this is, kung alam nyo na, this is in relationship with the owner's contract na controversial with regards of the government versus these two water concessionaires. So again, watch out for traders perspective, watch out the FIBS 50 at 12.6 level per share if it will bounce back and try to retest the psychological support in 13 pesos per share, which is the tender offer price, diba? So Frutas, if you want to ask Frutas if this 2 pesos level per share will hold, okay tayo dyan. If 2 pesos breakdown, so there is a support waiting at 1.9, diba? FIB 618. So for now, I do not see a good entry para kay Frutas. Wait tayo ng pullback or good entry. So either of the two, tingnan natin kasi majority of the stocks na watchlist ko ngayon are still in consolidation or waiting to bounce, 'di ba? So again, kapag newbie ka, please wag kayong mag-full allocate regarding with bounce play and ceiling play. Try to master your skills muna before you try to expose your capital on much risk, 'di ba? So tech, tingnan natin kung ano meron kay tech. So wala rin, nagkakaroon ng dips, 'di ba? Pero bumabalik at nag-hold tong 10.1, 'di ba? So watch out kung any possible na mag-breakout itong kahit itong 11.4 level, check natin, 'di ba? So for now, yan yung mga stocks na tinitingnan natin. The ABS stocks naman, currently they are having the issue, the franchise issue, 'di ba? Yung franchise renewal, hindi sila gina-grant pa. So that's it for now. I hope you learned so much in this video. Congrats again sa mga nanalo kay Euro. Comment down below if dahil sa video or sa discussion na ginawa natin kaya kayo kumita ng pera, and share it with your friends so that they too can learn, 'di ba? And make profit in the market. So God bless us all. Bye-bye.